Hi besties, so today we are using this colorful ingredient to prepare this yummalicious beautiful garden egg stew. Okay, so wherever you are, please don't go anywhere, stay back and relax. We will use fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, palm oil, habanero peppers, onions, stinky fish or momoni, some eggs, and salmon or mackerel, and then we'll use salted tilapia or Koobi. Okay, so we will start by prepping our salted tilapia. So I'm going to teach you how I prepare or prep my tilapia. So this is how I do it. I take off the fangs and every unwanted things I don't like, because this is a stock fish and it's being stocked with a lot of salt, so you don't want that. So I make sure I remove everything that I don't want, everything that is being stored with salt. You see, they've put some salt in the belly as well, so make sure you remove everything. Then I cut it into two. I wash it very well in a clean water and I soak it in another clean water. So that's how I prep my salted tilapia or Koobi. So that's my water on the stove. So I'll be putting my garden eggs and then my habanero peppers. Okay, so we are going to cook this for about 15 minutes. All right, so whilst boiling this or cooking this, I'll go ahead and cut my onions. All right, so I'll cut it or slice it into my desired size. You can also go ahead and do the same. So time to cut our tomatoes. Okay, so these tomatoes we are not going to blend, we are not going to blend the onions, we are going to use it like that. That is why I'm saying don't go anywhere, stay back and relax, just enjoy, at least learn something. Okay, so I'll go ahead and break all the eggs. Okay, I'll break everything and then add a pinch of salt and whisk. All right. So our garden eggs and pepper is well cooked. So traditionally we are going to use our earthenware. Okay, yes, it is a must. You have to use earthenware to grind this. You don't have to blend it, or else it will be very smooth like you are using it to prepare soup, and it's a no-no. Okay. So those are clean pots. I'll go ahead and pour my palm oil, and when the oil is hot, I'll go in with my Koobi. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fry this Koobi for about 3 minutes. Okay, yes, I'll fry it for 3 minutes. So you can choose to cook the Koobi. You can add it to your yam or plantain to cook it if that's what you want. Okay, so please kindly do what you want, but try this one. So after I'm done frying, I'll add my momoni or stinky fish. Okay, then I'll use my spoon to separate the momoni, the ajimai. Then I'll go in with some of my sliced onions, and then I'll add my sliced or chopped tomatoes and stir for about 3 minutes. Okay, sorry, cook for about 3 minutes. It smells so nice actually. Anyways, it's time to add our frozen aromatics. So I'll go ahead and add my garlic and ginger paste, and then I'll go in with my eggs. Yes, I'll make sure I pour it everywhere and then lower my stove. Yes, and then I'll cover it for about 5 minutes and then I'll come back and check it. Look at that, guys. The stew is really giving. At this point, I don't know whether to call it egg stew or garden egg stew, but the beautiful thing is that they all end with the eggs. Okay, so I'll go in with my proteins, which I used mackerel or salmon, so you can also feel free to use your available protein. Then I went in with my grinded garden eggs. Okay, so you have to do it like that, you have to grind it, don't blend it. Okay, and guys, this stew, you can use it to eat everything. So the spices, I use my shrimp cube, my all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. Then I went in with the remaining sliced onion, and guys, it is done just like that. So simple and then delicious. So I added the Koobi. The Koobi, you can cook it, okay? If you don't want to fry it, you can feel free to cook it. All right, so please prepare this and then let's interact in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if it makes sense to you. Thank you so much. My name is Dr. Rosie. Enjoy. Bye bye.